Let's see how to change the background color in Canva. First, we open up our design, or in this case, we start a new one. Let's choose poster. If you're starting with a blank canvas, the background will be the default white color. To change it, we just need to click on the canvas and look to the top of the screen. Here we can see a color wheel. After clicking on it, you can see that you can change our background color using the color palette on the left-hand side. If you want more color options, we can click on the color box on the top of the screen here. This will allow us to choose gradients. And if you want a specific shade, you can also use a hex code. Let's just change the background color to green. And I'm okay with that now. And that's it. That's how you change the background color in Canva. See you soon!